njengoba uthona when we are return ngokuthi ke mina language yaka insurance leyo lesho bo ilanguage yaka insurance lesho bo return on investment because nina nenzaba nenzaba nema sales. How many souls did you guys hi Connie
Jada.
ngikhuluma nangumasingcwabisane wakho lapha ngithanda wakho cha ujula nepolice vele uthathe nje ipolice hlala ekhaya ibe yakho ipolice yonke.
Oh.
Yini abasingcwabisane?
Le gama lelo ipolice ngingcono mathi uyipolice ne so skoni ucovered yabona what is that to cover cool wathatha ipolicy lesa family plan lehambisana ne-life insurance legal cover namasingcwabisane konke kunguwena nje uplatform leyo.
Udlele nakufeni lapho mawuvuma.
Nothing much. We did sushi and but
For breakfast.
Susho ekuseni
yeah,
mosodaka.
manje into ngichazela nini angithini nidla ngetikhathi ngathi vele nisuke ngithengele mase afford uyidla noma nini like mawikhanuka you just have it akube bethe isikhathi sayo like you guys do but it's fine. I understand where you come from. It's fine guys. No, it's fine. Akusethembisa la akusesentini la this is not Tembisa. Your Ivory Park, your Taffin, your whatsoever. There's akusiye Katlehong la siye Deep Kloof. Ita bohlala kuphi bafo? Alexandra. This is not Alexandra. This is Sentin. Do you understand?